Welcome to this video on the GlobalVacc Al-Shifa HIB, the world's first fully audited Halal-by-Design vaccine, bringing together theology and advanced engineering. Haemophilus influenzae type B, or HIB, is a serious bacterial disease primarily affecting children under 5. Historically, the vaccine industry relied on animal-derived raw non-halal materials, overlooking religious dietary compliance for decades. The use of porcine-derived ingredients created a challenge for the global Muslim community. Theological workarounds like darura, or overriding necessity, and istihala, chemical transformation, have traditionally been used to navigate this issue. Darura is intended as a temporary exemption, not a permanent license. KR Biologicals recognized that when a clean, halal-compliant alternative is available, it must take precedence. Dr. V.T. Ragupathy, a molecular biologist, and Dr. Subhash Kapre of the Serum Institute of India led this pioneering effort to dismantle the myth of technological impossibility in vaccine production. Halal-by-Design biotechnology integrates ethical requirements from the start. The idea was to develop a vaccine that is halal from ground up, rather than trying to remove impurities or najis from the final product. By using synthetic, halal, and also plant-derived substitutes, KRB researchers achieved identical safety and efficacy to legacy methods. This approach replaces reliance on religious exemptions with strict, forensic halal audits, ensuring absolute purity from the very inception of the manufacturing process. A comprehensive 2011 to 2012 forensic audit traced every chemical input, reagent, and buffer in the manufacturing process to its raw origin, confirming compliance with rigorous standards. In 2013, GlobalVacc Al-Shifa HIB was fully commercialized, shattering the industry belief that religious dietary compliance and advanced biomedical science were mutually exclusive. The vaccine is WHO approved and registered with health authorities, demonstrating that the highest regulatory standards and Sharia law can successfully work in tandem. This vaccine provides identical protection to legacy versions, offering health ministries a financially viable and ethically sound alternative for immunization schedules. In 2023, Dr. V.T. Ragupathy was honored with the Royal Order of Merit for his lifetime dedication to developing ethical vaccines without compromising clinical excellence. This achievement proves that halal compliance is not just an ethical gesture, but a significant commercial imperative for the global pharmaceutical industry. Looking ahead, the pipeline includes vaccines for rotavirus, hepatitis B, and DTP. Work is also underway on FLUV-AXINE, designed for millions of Hajj and Umrah pilgrims. True innovation re-engineers science to serve humanity in its entirety. Thank you for watching.